Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now click on those type of dots at the top left corners. Now to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, select Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!